Background music playing. Hey there, by Smart Squad. Welcome back to another episode where we put products head to head in the ultimate battle of the steam cleaners. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with the Waitebird steam cleaner on my left and the TVD steam cleaner on my right. Now, if you think cleaning is a boring chore, think again. We're about to make this showdown as exciting as a soap opera. Because who doesn't love a little drama, right? So grab your mops and let's get steamy. First up, let's talk about the price. Because we all know that no one likes to break the bank while trying to break the grime. The Waitebird comes in at a cool $139, while the TVD is strutting its stuff at $179. That's a $40 difference. Reviewers have noted that the Waitebird offers great value for its price, being a high-quality and user-friendly product. Meanwhile, while the TVD is pricier, those who have invested in it highlight its solid build and versatility, making it worth the extra cash for some. So, is the TVD worth the extra cash, or is it just a fancy name? Let's keep our wallets in mind as we scrub through the details. Now onto steam power. Waitebird boasts a high-temp steam of 248 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than your morning coffee. Meanwhile, the TVD is also heating things up, but it doesn't specify the temp. Reviewers of the Waitebird have raved about its powerful steam production, which is effective for tough cleaning jobs. On the other hand, those using the TVD have noted its strong steam output as well, especially for tasks like wallpaper removal and grout cleaning. So is it just lukewarm? We'll have to keep an eye on that. Speaking of heat, let's dive into tank capacity. The Waitebird has a 38 ounces tank, taking just under 5 minutes to heat up and providing 45 minutes of steam. Reviewers appreciate this generous capacity for completing a variety of cleaning tasks without frequent refills. On the flip side, the TVD comes with a massive 52 ounces tank, heating up in 8 minutes and delivering 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Users have highlighted this larger tank as beneficial for extended cleaning sessions, especially in larger spaces. So if you like to clean like a marathon runner without the sweat, TVD might be your best bet. Now, let's talk accessories. The Waitebird comes with 21 accessories, like a Swiss Army knife for cleaning. Reviewers have noted the variety of attachments as a significant plus, allowing for versatile cleaning options. But wait, the TVD ups the ante with 28 accessories. Reviewers have commented on the impressive range that includes specialized tools for different tasks, making it feel like a cleaning party where everyone got invited. But hey, do you really need a tool to remove wallpaper? Isn't that what anger and determination are for? Next, let's chat about ease of use and safety. The Waitebird is all about quick steam release with a child safety lock. Reviewers have praised its user-friendly design and safety features, making it easy to operate. TVD also has a secure operation, with a steam engine lock to prevent accidental releases. Users appreciate this safety measure, ensuring safe operation while achieving impressive cleaning results. So whether you're cleaning or trying to impress your friends with your steam shooting skills, you can do it safely. Remember, safety first, fun second. And finally, versatility. The Waitebird can clean everything from ceramic tiles to your car. Reviewers have highlighted its effectiveness on various surfaces, making it a reliable tool for numerous cleaning tasks. Meanwhile, the TVD is just as versatile, tackling everything from floors to upholstery. Users have noted its capability to handle both tough and delicate jobs effectively. So whether you're cleaning your bathroom or your beloved pet's accident, both have you covered. Just don't steam your pet. Trust me, it's not a good look. In summary, the reviews for both steam cleaners highlight their strengths. The Watebird is often praised for its affordability, powerful steam, and ease of use, making it a favorite among those who want a reliable cleaner without spending too much. On the other hand, the TBD is recognized for its premium build, extra accessories, and effectiveness in more specialized cleaning tasks, justifying its higher price for many users. So, who's the winner? Is it the Watebird with its lower price and solid features, or the TBD with its extra capacity and accessories? The decision is as tough as choosing between pizza toppings. In the end, it all boils down to your cleaning style and budget. So what are you waiting for? Grab your steam cleaner, and let's make cleaning fun again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below to tell us which one you'd choose. Until next time, keep it steamy, and remember to buy smart.